Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Scorpio Water Sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cards are jumping. Scorpio, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Okay. Hangman. And another deck, Seven of Swords, Five of Wands, the Lovers, and Nine of Swords. Lot of arguments or lot of issues going right now in your relationship, Scorpio. You're feeling very sad. You're disturbed emotionally. You're feeling, and you are in anxiety, depression, energy. There is love, but it's more about physical than emotional. Your energy is draining. Lot of drama is going. Lot of trust issues. One person is sneaky in this connection. Energy could be vice versa, guys. But according to me, it's your person. Maybe they cheated on you, lied to you. Third party involved. Definitely, they are sneaky. They are not trustworthy. Even if it is you, maybe you did some mistake. Maybe you did hurt them. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Hangman, Knight of Wands, and Eight of Swords. I think your person have a lot of passion towards you. They're very passionate about you, but they're always in and out of your life. There is no stability at all. That's why you're feeling stuck. You don't know what to do because there is no progress in relationship. They're always in and out of your life, and it is like be on and off connection. So that's why you're feeling stuck. Then present Two of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, and Six of Swords. So you are juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make, Scorpio. You want Ten of Cups happiness. You want marriage with your person, but it is not happening. So you decided to move on. You decided to let go of this person because no stability, no commitment. And you fed up with this energy also. And for some, they are not available to you when you need them. They suddenly ghosting you. Then future, Seven of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and Four of Cups. So still you're feeling missing them, but you decided to cut off from this person. But for some, there is communication is coming. For some, even though you decided to cut off this person from your life, some part of you still wanting this person back. Seven of Pentacles. You're still waiting on them. You're still thinking about them. You're still missing them. And for some, there is a chance for communication with clarity. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, lot of fire energy. Then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Scorpio. Then we will get more clarity. Under the deck, Page of Pentacles, Seven of Wands, King of Wands, and Three of Cups. Yeah, I think third party involved in this connection. Right now, your person is on their power. They are very defensive. For some, they want to fight for your attention. They want to fight for your love. And there is text communication is coming. And children's also involved in this connection. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Scorpio. Okay, Two of Pentacles. A lot of cards I'm not taking. Judgment. Four of Wands. Lots of you are in twin flame journey. Two of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Six of Wands. Wow. They want success in this connection. Yeah, a lot of issues going, but they want success and they want passionate new beginnings with you, and they're thinking about you a lot. For some, your person have options. That's why they're thinking, that's why they're juggling. but they are going to be choose you, because in current feelings, two of pentacles, judgment, and four of wands, right now they're juggling, but after that they will get clarity what they want. They will make some decision, and they want reconciliation with you, and they want celebration with you. Yes, for some, maybe one person in this connection going through some legal issues. So let's see their current intentions. Okay, two cards, sorry, one card, death. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be another Scorpio. My God. Yeah, I think there is no clarity. That's why maybe you decided to cut off this person from your life. But they're still hoping, they're still thinking about positive, and they're being patient, and they're balancing things in their life. They want reconciliation, but this person may be toxic for you, Scorpio, because this person is obsessed with you, very dominative. At the same time, there is no clarity at all. Yeah, they will get, one time they want you, and another time they are in some confusion. They have no clarity at all, and intentions also, two of swords, energy, and death. Definitely one type of ending between you and your person. They want attention from you, because the devil card, devil always wants attention. They're obsessed with you, but again, in action wise, there is no solid action. Just they're wishing, maybe they're waiting for right time. They're patiently waiting. So let's pull some cards from universe, where this connection is headed on and the outcome. A lot of thinking is going. They're thinking about you a lot. They're obsessed with you. And lots of you are in long distance relationship, living in different cities, countries, or states. Yeah, they're thinking about partnership with you. They're thinking about to work. For some, you both could be colleagues, but they want to start with again. They're wishing. Right now they're going through Chava moment due to separation, due to issues. But you want clarity. You want marriage, you want commitment, not this confusion at all. I think you are thinking about new opportunities in career, especially. There are new opportunities coming for you. Options. I think you have options, Scorpio. In career, in relationship wise also you have options. Yeah, mutual energies, Emperor, and Five of Swords. See. So I want clarification card for Emperor. Magician. And King of Pentacles. Yeah, a lot of issues. Still there are some, even though after reconciliation there will be some disturbances between you and your person. Here family could be the issue, or friends, or other men or other women. Because yeah, Chava moment. Definitely one person could be a manipulator. I think it's your person. So be careful. But one person is taking their control back. But there are some disturbances still. One person could be a manipulator in this connection. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Scorpio. Yeah, there is obsession and domination and attention I am getting here, but there is no love. It is all about attention and obsession. That's why you want to cut off this person from your life. I want to be with you forever. I want to express my love. And third party involved. Yes, so the messages are true love. I want to be with you forever. I want to express my love, and third party involved. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Scorpio. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer, Cancer energy. So if you are living in different state, different cities, and you are worrying about your person, this is the message for you. You and your loved ones are safe. And the second message, adjustments are required. I already told you. Even though after reconciliation, there are some adjustments are required. Yes. third quarter moon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.